Ramco, the first disappointing factor was the fact that the company's cost had increased very sharply, and the most baffling part here is that the fuel consumption for the company remained flattish on a sequential basis. But despite this, if you see, the overall cost for the company has increased, and the management has attributed this to change in product mix and change in fuel mix. So this is one of the key concern that has led to this fall in the share prices. The second one is the fact that the company has doubled its capex guidance going forward. Earlier for FY23, they had planned a capex of around 850 crore rupees, which has now increased to 1700 crore rupees. And going forward, the company is saying that for FY24, they have planned a capex of 900 crore rupees, which could further increase if approvals come in place. So with this higher debt in place, with higher capex in place, if you see, the company's debt has also increased in the first half by around 1000 odd crore rupees. And with given the fact that the company has doubled its capex guidance, this debt could increase further going forward. So this increasing debt is also one of the biggest concern which is weighing on the premium valuations of Ramco Cement. Along with this, if you see, over the call, the company's focus is now shifted more towards growth and not towards maintaining its return on capital employed. Now, the company has guided for a volume growth of around 23% for FY23, and for FY24 they have guided a volume growth of around 15%. Now, this incremental volume is giving the company a ROC of only 15%. So the shift towards volume growth and not return on capital employed is also one of the concerns when it comes to Ramco Cement. And lastly, if you see, the company's related party transactions have also increased in the first half. Now, related party transactions related to two of the parties, if you see, for till FY22 they were in the range of around 30 odd crore rupees, but only in the first half this amount has increased to around 36 crore rupees. And analysts have mentioned that these two parties, which are named as Madurai Trans Carriers and Lynk Logistics, now these transactions were unrelated to the business segments of the company, and this is one of the biggest concern which has led to this fall in Ramco Cements in trade.